Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now let us see the next question. The length of the rectangular room is 5 meters more than its breadth. If the area of the room is 750 meters square, then find the length of this room. Okay, here a room which is in the shape of rectangle and whose length is 5 meters more than the breadth. Okay, length is 5 meters more than the breadth. That means if I suppose that breadth as a x, then length becomes what? 5 more than the x, that is of x plus 5. So let breadth as a x meters, then length becomes what? Length becomes what? 5 more than this, that is 5x, x plus 5 meters. And what else we know? We know that area of this room. Okay, area of room given as a 750 meters square. Okay, so here as the room is in the shape of rectangle, area of this room is nothing but area of this rectangle. Area of rectangle formula we know that that is of length into breadth, that is length is what? X plus 5 into breadth x, that gives you 750. Now and I'm multiplying this can be written as x square plus 5x, that gives you 750, and transposing this plus 750 to other hand of equation, it becomes a minus 750, so that it forms a quadratic equation, that is of x square plus 5x minus 750 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation we need to factorize so that to get a x value. So to factorize this 750, here if I take that 750 is nothing but 75. If I take 75 can be written as 25 threes are. So 750 can be written as 25 30s are, we can take 750. And to get a positive value, to get minus 750, definitely any one of them should be taken as a negative. But to get a positive second term as a positive, so we need to take greater number as a positive and smaller number as a negative. So that's the reason we can split it as an x square plus 30x minus 25x minus 750 is equal to 0. 30x minus 25x, that gives you 5x. That means from this can be written as x square plus 30x minus 25x plus 750 is equal to 0. From these from these four terms we can take x as a common from the first two terms. From the first two terms we can take x as a common, so that this can be written as x of x plus 30. And from the next two terms, if I take minus 25 as a common, and taking minus 25 as a common, then x minus this becomes what? Here as it is minus 750, sorry, here minus 750, this minus 750 becomes a plus 30, it becomes plus 30. So from this I am taking x plus 30 as a common, x plus 30 of x minus 25 is equal to 0, as the product of two numbers is 0. From the zero product rule, we need to take definitely any one of them as a 0. That means either x plus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 25 is equal to 0. If I take x plus 30 as a 0, we will get x is equal to minus 30, but here x we assumed as the breadth of this rectangle. Breadth cannot be in the negative, so we can neglect this option. And if I take this x minus 25 is a 0, from this x is equals to 25 you will get. That means we get the breadth value, breadth measurement as a 25 meters, then length is equal to x plus 5, that is of 25 plus 5, that is of 30 meters. So from this we got a length of this rectangle room is 30 meters.